Shou for erections. Does it work? Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can use Shou to enhance erections. Let's get started. The indigenous people of China have been using Shou as a men's health tonic since before there was a China. With the wise rediscovery of traditional medicine in the West, men are starting to turn to it for erectile health and function. Let's take a quick look at why. There are two primary ways that Shou has been proven to enhance erectile strength and health. The first is nitric oxide production. The second is endothelial health. Endothelial health essentially means your blood vessels are in good shape. And since you need healthy vessels to deliver blood to your penis to fire up an erection, this makes perfect sense. Nitric oxide is the chief agent responsible for relaxing your vessels so that blood can freely flow in. This 1-2 punch of improved endothelial health and more nitric oxide production explains why Shou has such a powerful impact on erections. But that's not all that this herb is capable of. Shou also boosts dopamine. The presence of dopamine in your body is largely responsible for your desire to have sex, your ability to maintain an erection, and your ability to ejaculate. As a matter of fact, you have dopamine receptors built right inside your penis. And rodent studies have clearly demonstrated that when the dopamine receptors in your penis are activated, erections always follow. In one paper titled Activation of Dopamine D4 Receptors by ABT 724 Induces Penile Erection in Rats, the authors concluded with this. The present preclinical studies demonstrate that dopamine D4 receptors are involved in the regulation of penile function in mammals. So how does Shou come into play here? Monoamine oxidase B is a substance that breaks down dopamine as your body produces it. And the more monoamine oxidase B you have in your body, the less dopamine you'll have circulating in your system. Of all herbs studied, Shou was the most effective for inhibiting the production of monoamine oxidase B. And less MAO-B means more active dopamine. More active dopamine means stronger erections and a better sex life. Now let's quickly summarize. Shou improves blood vessel health, boosts nitric oxide production, and elevates dopamine in the human body. And when you combine all these together, you have the perfect recipe for a high-quality erection. So, guys, that's enough for today's video. For more information on boosting your erections naturally, download my free ebook by clicking the link in the description box below. We will be back to you soon with another video with more tips on maximizing erectile function without the use of drugs or artificial hormones. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when the next video is uploaded. Until then, goodbye and peace.